June BOGOs, and so I want to show you how to order these. So if you go to the BOGO page, you will see the different options of what you can purchase. Now, this BOGO bundle is only available while supplies last. So there's only so many of them, but it's basically if you buy these 5 products, I'll show you which ones they are, you will get the Blue Lotus for free. So this is only while supplies last. So that's the best time to purchase if you're wanting to get them all. And then you can scroll down here and you can add different products to your bag. If you want the whole bundle, just go ahead and add that to your bag. And then if there's other products, you can order up to 4, I believe, of each one of these. So if you want to purchase lavender, get tea tree free, and maybe stock up on that one, you could add more than one to your bag. MetaPower soft gels. So this is for those cravings, helping to shrink fat cells. Metabolic Assist will be for free. So this is one that helps to burn carbs slower. Then the brightening gel, this is phenomenal. You purchase this, you get Cypress for free. They're both great for skin, great for hydration, great for removing some of those darker spots. Peppermint, get Wild Orange for free. See some of the things that they're good for. And make sure you download the ebook as well. Spearmint, buy Spearmint, get Lime for free. And then if your order is 145 PV, you'll get this Blue Lotus for free. So basically, if you purchase all of the products above, you'll get this for free. Or if you're putting in different products, different combinations of things that you want, then you just go to your cart. Now, if you are already have a doTERRA account, you'll want to click this. And I recommend that you sign in and then you can use the loyalty rewards program. I'll show you that in a minute. But if you're brand new and you want to get 25% off, you will want to do this. Create an account. All that means is you're going to put your birth date and your email address in there so that you can sign in later when you make future purchases. That's it. That's all you need to do. You'll get 25% off. You'll get the wholesale price on the buy one, plus you'll get the one free at the whole, instead of paying retail and getting one free. And then also if it's 150 PV, you'll get a free diffuser, or there's a couple other gifts that you can choose. So click this one and then go ahead and fill this out. You will see you're getting the Blue Lotus for free here. You're getting, hold on. Now see, it's 149. If it's 150, one more PV. So let's just say that I want to add a lavender. You can do this. Lavender, if it's the 15 milliliter one, then you're going to get the freebie as well. But this is where you get the free diffuser by adding another product. So I always recommend get the diffuser, but you can also get the hand wash or toothpaste bundle. So just click that, and here's what it will show you. You're getting lavender and tea tree for free added on. You're getting the bundle. You're getting the Blue Lotus for free and the tea tree for free. And then you just go ahead and proceed to checkout, right? That's all you need to do. This $35 membership fee is waived for you. Awesome. Most people will have to pay that. And then in the future, you can purchase whatever you want. Now I'm going to go back and let's just say I have my cart. I want to cancel that order. Yes. And if you are a member of doTERRA, you want to go back to that BOGO page and say you want to order the bundle. You can add that to your bag. And then when you go to check out as I already have an account. And then you will put in here your member number, email, however you're signing in. And then what you'll want to do is, if you already have a loyalty rewards order, I would just create a new one and then cancel it afterwards, or it will just cancel because this is a limited time offer on this, so that will go away. If you already have, so that's what I would recommend if you already have one. If you don't have it, I would do this. I would create a new one for you because you're going to get loyalty rewards points. Let me show you on that. You just pick a date. I just pick it in the purple because you can potentially get a free product if the order is by the 15th and is 125 PV. So on this order, you're also going to, if this were another month on an order that's 15 by the 15th and 125 PV, you would also get a free oil. So you'll see you have that BOGO bundle, you're getting the free Blue Lotus, and then I'm getting $44 in free product. Initially, people start at 10% back with the loyalty rewards program. So you would get 10% back of this number. So you get 14.9 points to redeem, and that accumulates. So in my little bank account, my points, I have 180 points that I can use for a free product. So this is really the best way to purchase. You're going to get free shipping when you use the loyalty rewards program if it's 100 PV or more. So that's how you order, whether you have an account or not, the best options for you. And make sure you get the BOGO ebook so that you have additional uses for all of these products.